Hi guys, I'm back. Welcome if you're new, welcome back if you are a regular. Anyways, we're going to do a quick organize on this little closet here. It's where we keep all of our dog food, light bulbs, batteries, you know, things like that. It's a small closet. It shouldn't take too long, but it's crammed full. So let me show you. Top shelf. Just needs organized, that's all. And all the dog foods and cat foods are down there. See, that just needs to be pulled out and organized. Okay. So I think I'm going to pull everything out, and then I will bring you right back, because it will probably be boring. All right, I'll be right back. All right, guys. Talking about being overwhelmed. Everything's out. What's this? Who knew light bulbs lasted 18 years? New to me. Anyways. Okay, so here's all the stuff I took out, and I'm totally overwhelmed. So this I'm going to group together nicely and put it in tubs. Light bulbs, cookbooks. Apparently no one looks at cookbooks anymore. Nothing like pen and paper, so you have to just get rid of those because no one looks at them. So I guess I'll have to either donate them or do something with them. That's those. These are all my light bulbs. Not light bulbs. Batteries, and I'll make them look nice in here. Look at my company. So there's that. And then I have, here's stuff that, more light bulbs and paper plates, things like that. And there's a few things I don't know what to do with. So anyways, I'm going to get busy. I mean, if you want to watch me clean a shelf, you can. I'm just going to use Mrs. Meyer's and a rag. This goes here. And then I'll sweep all that out. Okay. Let me put you back on your stand. Okay, you're back on your stand. I don't know if you'll be able to see, guys. It's not a very good angle. You probably don't want to see this angle. Okay. Can you see? All right. So a quick wipe on those. Ouch. Pinched my finger. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to pull out this cat food and sweep down there. Okay, can you guys see down there? about the dog food and cat food. That's too much. Okay. Found a light bulb. Okay. All right. All right, I'm gonna spray that floor and wipe it. And now I'm putting the dog foods back. Now I'm going to organize all my stuff and put it back as neatly as possible. Okay, so what it looks like now, to be continued. All right. Here's pretty much the finished project. Sorry, drop you down a bit. So down there, I put the cat food and the dog food in the bowls. This is grilling, batteries, empty shelf, yay. Pet foods, cat treats, things like that. Empty shelf, I only kept those 2 cookbooks, and then there's the top shelf. So much better. I gotta burn all of that, and I have some to donate. Anyways, thank you guys for watching today. Have a great day. Drink some water. Do something nice. And I'll see you in the next one. Please like and subscribe too. Thanks.